Master Azerbaijani word of the day has a weekly recap for you. Let's see what we learned. We learned how to say Soğan. We learned how to say Doğramaq, to chop and dice it. We learned how to say ash to your head literally, but means shame on you, serves you right. We learned how to say Qaynatmaq, to boil and to scald. We learned how to say Dolu for hail and packed and full. We learned, of course, SARIMSAQ for garlic and garlic clove. And we learned for effortless and simple things to say Asan. Let's see what kind of dad joke uses I had for these words. Some of them are, I cry harder for Soğan than for rom-com breakups. I'd love an Asan mode for Mondays. I set a timer and then forgot to Qaynatmaq anything. KÜL BAŞINA from grandma should not be taken close to heart. And I ate enough SARIMSAQ not to leave the house for a week. Let's quiz you a little bit. Which word also means hail? Drop in the comments below. Don't worry about typing the exact letters that you don't have in your keyboard. Just type in something closer. Next week, we're starting a new set of words. Make sure to come back every day to learn them because consistency is the fluency, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for a new word, but I also have masterazerbaijani.com where I explore Azerbaijani language, learning in much more fun and efficient ways. Make sure to check that as well. Cheers.